side. Okay? Kasi nandun yung matigas. Diba yun ang dapat hawakan yung matigas?
Ngayon, ayaw niya pala dapat hawakan yung matigas.
Che, matigas na dapat hawakan.
Ay, nang video pala tayo.
And then, always close the wheelchair. Lock the wheelchair before you will use it for your patient, no? And where are you going to put, like for instance, your patient is having a left body paralysis or left body weakness. Where do you need to put the wheelchair?
To the right side.
To the right side. Why?
Kasi nandun yung...
Siya yung makakagalaw or may energy pa
May-
siya.
Exactly. Okay? So, patient can even help you, no? Support with a stronger hand, no? Okay? And then the first thing that you need to do is to close the wheelchair, lock the wheelchair. Using the body mechanics, no? That's what they're telling. You're going to position yourself close to the client. Okay? And put your feet, no, ahead. Your stronger feet. Bayan nyo na yan. Huwag nyo na pakinggan yan. Basta pakinggan nyo. No? Put your stronger feet, no, ahead of you, no? And check the wheelchair is on the right side of the patient. Make sure that the wheelchair is near the patient. Huwag yung masyadong malayo.
Malayo.
Kasi may hirapan kang ihilakad pa. Baka natumba pa yung
Natumba pa
pasyente
kayong
mo.
dalawa.
From the bed to ma'am.
Yes, from the bed or from
Sofa.
the
Sofa.
The wheelchair should be near you. Okay, where is the patient's stronger area? That's where you are going to put your wheelchair. So what you need to do is ask the patient to put the hands on your shoulder, and what you're going to do is you're going to bend your knees. Remember, I told you the weight should be on your
Feet.
feet, on your legs.
Legs and
Okay?
feet.
It should be on your legs, not on your back.
Back.
Okay? It should be like this. You're going to bend and lift the patient with your hands.
Hands.
Yes. Okay, wala. Okay, I will put it. Teka, wag ko. Up nga. Up first, no? Put the patient up and then pivot the patient going to your, because this is your strong hand, no? You will help you with your strong hand to hold the wheelchair and put the patient down. Now, using your gait belt. This is your gait belt. Okay? So with your gait belt, we are using this one to lift the patient kasi minsan nag-slip sila sa kamay ng pasyente. Ay, ng mga nurses, di ba? So, gagamitin natin yung towel to taas mo yung kamay mo para hindi siya masaktan. Hold this one.
Support sa ano.
Ganito pag mabigat sila. May support na.
Kahit mabigat ma'am or hindi.
Mabigat o hindi, pag ginamit nyo yung gate belt, gamitan nyo ng towel kasi para hindi pagka nilift nyo yung pasyente,
Hindi siya mas...
hindi ba nagagasgas yung mga yung mga skin nila?
Sensitive.
So lagay the gate, the lock of the belt should be on the yoke. You're the one who's locking it on your right side na. It should be on your right side. Okay? Don't make it too tight nor too loose. Okay? So you're going to So, same thing that you're going to be near with your patient with your strongest feet, no, in front, and then you're going to bend your knees, and you're going to, you can put your hand on my shoulder and lift the patient with this side lifter. So pull the patient up, okay, and then pivot the patient. And put the patient down.
More easier.
More easier with the
So, pwede siyang gamitin from bed
to the
back to back.